By the end of this video, you should be able to set units properly in AutoCAD. And to do that, you're going to type UN on your keyboard and press enter. On your length type, you're going to click on the drop-down menu. For architectural, if you're planning to use feet and inches in your project, you can go with the architectural. For decimal, if you're planning to use millimeters and meters, you can use the decimal. So in this project, we are going to use decimal, which is millimeters and meters. Well, for the precision, since we are going to use meters and millimeters, we are going to set the precision to 2 decimal places if we are choosing meters. Then we are going to navigate down to the insertion scale. Insertion scale deals with things that you import into AutoCAD. For example, your templates, which could be your chairs, it could be your surveyor data. So here we are going to choose meters because we are planning to work in meters. But if you are working in other units, you can choose from here the one that suits your project. On lightning, unit specifier, you can choose international if you are not in America. For angle type, it's good to allow it to decimal degrees. It's always good at that end. And for the precision, you can allow it to 2 decimal places. And you're just going to click on OK, and your units are properly set for this project. A bonus to this tutorial is how to activate any command that you need in AutoCAD. Now, AutoCAD has different ways of activating command. Firstly, on your toolbar here, you can activate your move command, copy command, line, and whatsoever. But if you know any tool in AutoCAD and you are not able to access it, the best way to access it is to use the command line. So if you know any tool in AutoCAD that you are facing difficulties to find it, you can use the command line to be able to access it. That's just by typing on your keyboard. For example, if you want to draw a line, you can type a line command, and it's going to pull up. So you can click on the line command and start drawing your line. If you want a command like copy command, you can click on copy, press enter on your keyboard, and you can just copy the element. Where do you want to carry it to? You can just make a copy of it. So any tool you want to use in AutoCAD, you can just type it on the command line once you know the name of the tool, and you can just use it. If you did find this content interesting, please make sure you like, subscribe, and if you face any problems, we would like to see it down in the comment section. See you.